Kebor gimana but COVID-19 mentah kesini pok jelas macam South Tarik October 2020 kilang punya South Tarik October aja aku di kes kita thamai di bangyang mentah kesini kilang aspa ngut ki bayo ki balong ki kes ki wathamai balong positive lakini sispa afundre bidan to is kasils safo gideni ki armed forces paramilitary forces but afundre na ki way not garo jelsi way riboy safo ar na to ki armed forces paramilitary forces but safo ar na ki way South Garo Hills way Southwest Garo Hills Rio, Southwest Khas Hills are, West Garo Hills are, West Jaintia Hills Pra. The case baru belum aktif kalau mutaksi bilang hajar aspa kendai. But nakini si hajar terus tak khatra bidan po East Khas Hills, nyuplai di armed forces, paramilitary forces. But she had a subspa sun today way. West Khas Hills cut way, Southwest Khas Hills cut sun, Ribhoy Aspa sun, Rio within the armed forces, paramilitary forces, but Aspa Kandai today way. After travel to West Jaintia Hills, Life to Life East Jaintia Hills, she starts Kandai for sun upon West Garo Hills. South ini kita armed forces, paramilitary forces, but she's pas sampai way. Southwest Garo Hills Life and Rail, South Garo Hills Hippo, East Garo Hills cut south, but North Garo Hills half south. The case kita lari cover, mentah kasih kita nyamuk south. Pada kini terakhir kita itu East berada po East Jaintia Hills, South po East Khas Hills, South po North Garo Hills, R po Ribhoy, but Shippo po West Garo Hills. Kikis kita lari cover baru kelum lang kadu mentang sini bilang South hajar laispa tanda kulai. But kita kelak nak hadu menen kesini di wilayah itu report ada menen kesini bilang sampai sah. Partly ki kes kita thamai dunia untuk kesini bilang pun. Atau East Khas Hills kita sispa afundre. Pada kini sispa afundre, armed forces, paramilitary forces bilang South Pole, Golflands Cluster Line, Goroline Cluster South, health workers kita South, high risk contact life infra, Jaya Cluster Line. Jail Road Cluster Way, Laban Cluster South, Lomova Cluster Line, Madan Riting Cluster Fra, Mokhar Cluster R, Nongonsang Cluster Way, Oakland Cluster Way, Police Line, Police Bazaar Cluster South, Benthorum Kra Cluster Way, Railway Cluster South, Renjak Cluster Way, dan Umlingka Cluster Way. North Garo Hills way very high risk contact. Ribhoy South, armed forces, paramilitary forces are Barnihat Cluster Line, health worker way, high risk life and rail, ILI case way, but Nepa Cluster way. South Garo Hills way, the health worker. Southwest Garo Hills and rail, health worker way, but high risk contact sun. Southwest Khas Hills are health worker way, but high risk contact way. West Garo Hills are armed forces, paramilitary forces way, high risk Kandai, but random sampling are. West Jaintia Hills Pra, high risk sun, returning way, but mengilir untuk screening purposes are.